So are tags really important on your YouTube videos? Well, I'm gonna answer that today. Before I talk about the tags, let me tell you some things that are way more important than tags. Every time you watch a growing on YouTube tutorial, they're talking about tags, and tags.
And I'm guilty of this too.
However, YouTube's algorithm is changing a lot right now. And what's even more important than tags is if your immediate fans are watching your video. So if you drop a video and your subscribers or people with notifications on click on that video and a lot of them watches your video, then this is the first signal to YouTube that this video is interesting. And obviously the more people that click on your video, the better for you and YouTube's algorithm. Sure, good thumbnails are important, but I think the topic, aka the title of the video, is even more important. And if somebody is on your channel for long, they might not even care about the thumbnail, they're just gonna see the title, oh whatever, let's go. So that's why the title in this case will be more important than the thumbnail. And if enough people click on that video, YouTube will show your videos to a wider audience, and then the thumbnail is as important as the title. Because they're new to your channel and they won't click on that video until you have some amazing thumbnail. So my suggestion is make an awesome thumbnail. It won't hurt you, but sometimes it'll save you from losing a lot of views. Basically, don't take your chances, put your best effort forward. And now a quick shout out time. The movie trivia shout out goes to Screen Trooper Studios. Yes, you're correct, the movie series is Breaking Bad. Congrats on getting that right and shout out to you. The Everyday Fan shout out goes to Alex IS56R. Thank you so much for being here every day on my channel and shout out to you. And obviously the video itself has to be good. They have to click it and watch it as well. If they watch 60, 70, or 80% of that video, that'll help you even more. You don't want a really amazing video, a not so great title and thumbnail, but on the opposite side, you don't want a really amazing title and thumbnail, but a mediocre video. You see, these three elements have to work together. That's the only way to grow on this platform. And one of the first signals that YouTube gets is the click-through rate. Click-through rate is the percentage of people that click your video comparing to the amount of times it was shown. So if YouTube showed your video to 1,000 people, but only 30 people clicked on that video, then you have a 3% click-through rate.
And that's pretty bad.
So if you drop a video and even your own fans don't watch your video, or a very low percentage, then it'll completely kill that video. YouTube will stop showing it to anyone else. At least initially. Maybe YouTube will start showing it to other people again, but if your CTR is low, there's a small chance. Now I'm gonna talk about the tags, but to wrap this up in one sentence, make the best experience for your fans that you possibly can. And I mean on every video. So now you have a really awesome video, but we also have to provide metadata, and tags is part of the metadata. So metadata is you're providing information about your video. So that's the title, description related to what you're saying in the video. Yes, YouTube listens to what you're saying in the video.
And I'm not kidding, guys.
Because that's how they know it's matching to what the title says in the video. And then there's tags. Right now, I'm talking about April of 2021. Tags are becoming less and less relevant as far as the video's performance goes. So are they totally irrelevant? According to YouTube, it doesn't matter that much, but I would still put relevant tags on your video, just as part as the entire metadata for your video. Even if you have some amazing tags but the rest is not very good, then that's not gonna help much. You see, YouTube is very smart right now, and they are consistently trying to find out new ways how to promote certain videos. Obviously, good videos. And click-through rate and watch time is one of the most important. You see, metadata is important. It tells what your video is about, but even if you put amazing metadata, it will not swing YouTube to promote your video over another one, especially if the other videos are better. But you're still helping YouTube to figure out what your video is about by providing good metadata. So if somebody's searching for a video and the metadata matches to what they're searching for, then you might be shown. You're just making it so much easier for YouTube to show your video. Even though there are more important elements, but still put everything that needs to be there. So that way you're always giving your video the best chance. If you like this video, you know what to do, and here's the movie quote. Did I drive last night? Yeah, I think so. Really, I'm not sure. Dude, where's your car? Dude, it's not funny, dude, the car's gone. Yeah, but where's my car? Shut up, dude! Whoever guesses the movie title first and correctly will get a shout out in the next video. And if you want to increase watch time on your video, make sure to click this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys!